Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys privacy password setting. And today video title is guys how to unlock privacy password with fingerprint lock. Friends, you want to unlock Redmi mobile privacy password with fingerprint lock setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Redmi mobile privacy password with fingerprint lock setting. One by one, step by step, friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, how to unlock privacy password with fingerprint lock setting. Open your device phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here. Open your phone password and security setting. Scroll down here, open your phone privacy password setting. Friends, I will show you one by one, step by step, how to use fingerprint lock with privacy password. Unlock your privacy password setting. Scroll down here friends, click here unlock with fingerprint lock setting. Right click here, enter your privacy password again. Set your lock screen password first of all. So friends, I will use pin password. Remember your password. If you forget, you will have to erase all data. Remember your password. Got it? My password is 12345. Next, 12345. Confirm. Add your fingerprint lock. Which fingerprint lock you want to use, so you can add fingerprint lock. So friends, I will add my fingerprint lock. Touch and remove different move on your fingerprint sensor, and you can add fingerprint lock. After add fingerprint lock friends, you can unlock your privacy password with fingerprint lock setting. So friends, again open your phone password and security setting. Scroll down here. You want to on friends privacy password setting, draw pattern. Privacy password will on. Come back again, click here don't draw pattern, use your fingerprint lock. Scan your fingerprint lock, your privacy password will unlock automatic. So let's go down here, click here file setting, use option, and if you select any photo, click here three dot, make private option, make private file. Friends, left click here three line, click here private file setting. You can use your fingerprint lock here, and you can check your private files without enter password. Friends, you want to check your private files. If you draw pattern, so you can check your private file. You will not draw pattern, scan your fingerprint lock, you can check your private files. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use Redmi privacy password setting, how to unlock privacy password with fingerprint lock. Use fingerprint privacy password unlock. Bye.